Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around this absolutely gorgeous 2019 Audi A5 Coupe. Now this is the 2-litre TFSi engine and it's in the S-Line model, and it's also got the automatic transmission. Now the car's finished in the Scuba blue paintwork and is sat on the 19-inch beautiful bi-colour alloy wheels, and they've got fantastic tyres on them all round. Now the car's a one-owner vehicle and has got a full main dealer Audi service history. We've just had it serviced at the local Audi service centre to us, so it's all ready to go. The paintwork on the car being Scuba blue, it's a pearlescent finish, and I hope you can see the tones of that colour within the sunshine that we're having at the moment. The front of the car is in exceptional order, minimum stone chips or marks, a couple of little pencil touch-ins that we've done, which obviously would not in any way detract from the purchase. It's just done over 38,000 miles, but every wheel is a real compliment to the owner. Not a mark on the passenger side. Now when it goes in, we will detail the wheels. Looking down the side, it's free from any trolley dent, any mark. A real car lover's car, this. A lovely, lovely condition throughout. Now the factory options on it, it's got power folding mirrors, 3-zone climate control, 19-inch alloys, privacy glass, some real nice everyday features which make the car just sumptuous to own. We've got the twin tails, we've got the parking sensors on the front and the rear, and then when I pop the boot open you can see how big the boot is, and then that rear seat is a 60/40 folding seat, so it does drop down if you do need to use it for extra load space. This is the LED style indicators and signature headlamps, but a gorgeous, gorgeous car. One owner and one meticulous, careful owner. Everything that's ever been done on it, effectively servicing wise, is at the Audi main dealer showroom. So when we open the car, Audi's always on the S-Line spec now to do the interior. So we get a mixture of Alcantara, we get a mixture of brushed aluminium, we get a mixture of cloth, leather, contrast stitch, embossed seats, black internal detail, but the cabin is gorgeous. Just look at that. Your fit and finish on this product is second to none. So as I get in the car, you can see it's done 38,031 miles. Start her up, put your foot on the pedal, press the button, and as you can see there, lovely, smooth, refined 2-litre engine. No warning lights or anything like that, but gorgeous. I do like this car, if you don't mind me saying. So we've got an automatic handbrake, full Audi MMI system, so you've got music streaming. As I said, we've got the 3-zone climate control, so that means you've got the passenger, the driver and the rear passengers can all have the temperature of the air slightly different. We've got heated seats for the front and the passenger, cruise control, speed limiter. We've got the paddle shift on the steering wheel. This vehicle comes with the square bottom steering wheel, so you've got that wonderful sports feel. When you select the reverse gear, it gets the parking sensors and also the park assist on the right hand side. We've got the full satellite navigation. We don't really need the petrol to come forward, so I'll just put that there to no, and then you can see a full screen. So we've got SAT NAV, we've got Bluetooth phone, we've got radio, which is also DAB, and then we've got, as I say, the Audi Multi-Media. Now that's music streaming from your phone, your USB device, and then in the glove box you've got SD card and CD player. Probably one of the best systems on an Audi, because they do still have CDs if you have got CDs and you like listening to them. The aluminium brushed feature goes through the dash onto the door, and then the passenger seat is again in as new order. Now I don't smoke, and the last owner wasn't a smoker, and I can tell this car has never been smoked, and it smells still of that new car smell, when you know that, yeah, new car smell, fresh, clean. You can tell the last keeper really cared for this vehicle, without a doubt. Couple of USBs, drive select, so you can select the type of driving you want, whether it be individual, comfort, dynamic. Really nice features to have on a sports car. But looking in the rear, I very much doubt that anybody, although they probably have, but very minimal seats are used, because they are as brand new, the back seats. The carpets are all fantastic. There's the climate control for the rear passengers as well. So when you're looking around at Audi A5 coupes, just consider some of the features and options that this car's got, and then consider the price that it's being sold at, and then you'll understand why this is probably the best value Audi A5 coupe on the market today. It's in exceptional order. It is beautiful. Great colour, great combination, lovely wheels, one owner, full Audi main dealer service history, just serviced at the Audi main dealership. So you've got, is it 2 years, 20,000 miles till it requires the next one, 38,000 miles. Everything that was given to the owner when it was new is still here today on a 19 plate, so just on 3 years old. So if this is for you, give us a call. There's myself, Graham, there is Lee, and there is Dominic. We'll all be happy to help in any way we can. If you've got a part exchange, I can give you a price over the phone. If you need finance, we can give you a quote. Have a look on our website, alphamotors.co.uk. Underneath the vehicle there are the PCP options, there is the hire purchase option. If you're not sure what each one of those is, watch the video, it'll explain it. Have a look on our social media channels. You can only, if you want to come to Wigan once, we'll take a £250 reservation deposit. If when you arrive in Wigan to inspect this vehicle it's not for you, we will refund your £250 deposit back. So, we're a 5-star dealer, we're a family-owned dealership for the last 40 years. But as for now, thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.